Hi guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Wishing you all a very happy Diwali. दिवाळीच्या सर्वांना हार्दिक हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. कसे आहात तुम्ही? If you are new here, I am Nikam. If you want to know more about me, you can visit any of my social handles. They are in the description box right below. So today's episode will be about this makeup look right in front of you. It's a golden cut crease that I have tried to create it using only one brand, one of my favorite brand, that's Myglamm. So without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. Also, I have mentioned all the product links in the description box, so don't forget to check them out. I love how beautifully it has turned out, and recently they have launched the liquid velvet matte lipstick, which is on my lip right now. It feels so hydrating, and they have launched 100 shades, so don't forget to check them out on their website. So this is how my face looks like without any makeup on. I have just cleansed my face and now we will start the makeup. And I'm going to use Myglamm's Tinted Perfection Base Primer and Pore Minimiser. So on the back of my hand I'm going to take a little bit. Just with the help of my fingers I'm going to apply all over my face. I'm going to use orange corrector around my eyes and around my mouth. As you can see, there is little bit dark area around my mouth and on my pimple spots or whatever you call them. I'm going to use Myglamm's Total Makeover FF cream. It's got foundation, corrector and concealer. These are all cream products. If you can just see, with the help of this brush I'm just going to balanced out the darkness on my face. Next up I'm gonna go with foundation. I have foundation by Myglamm. That's Street Love Care 24-hour anti-pollution foundation. Shade for foundation is Refine. If you can see, Refine goes perfectly with my skin tone. On the back of my hand I'm gonna take a pump. First of all, I'll take just one pump. If needed, I'll go for another one. With the help of my finger, face ke liye I think. Now with the help of foundation brush, I'm just going to tap the product into the stippling motion. Concealer to brighten up my area that I want to. So I do have a mirror in here, so with the help of my finger only I'm going to use. See? Can you see the difference? I love how hydrating this base feels without any moisturizer. These products are really hydrating, and this palette is cream based. I'm in love with this palette. It is literally giving me the glow that I need without applying any moisturizer, any oil or anything. This is certainly gonna be my favorite. Next up I'm gonna do brows. I'm gonna use Myglamm Stay Define 2-in-1 eyeliner and brow powder. So one side is liquid eyeliner and another side is this eyebrow powder in the shade brown for me. Can you see the difference between these two brows? I have used very minimal product, but this is really nice. See? Oh gosh, so pigmented. Brows, now I'm just going to define them a bit with the concealer around the brows, and just going to define them a little bit more, so that they will look sharp. Now let's start with eyes. I'm going to use Manish Malhotra's my eyeshadow palette. The name is Reverie. Reverie. I don't know if I'm spelling it the right way, but these are the shades that are in this palette. So with the lighter one, this one, I'm going to go in with my crease. Now with this brown shade, I'm gonna go a little bit deeper into the crease, tapping Plixxo's product off. So I'm done with the creases. I want to do cut crease look, so I'm going to apply concealer into the inner corners to my crease lines. So I've got my guideline. You just have to look at the ceiling. यहाँ पे जहाँ पे टच हो जाएगा कंसीलर, वहाँ तक आपकी गाइडलाइन होगी कट क्रीज के लिए. So next up I'm gonna apply this golden shade. I'll swatch it for you guys. Whoa, just a one swatch and it blinds. So in the crease section I'm going to apply this with my finger only. So this is the close-up of my eye look right now. Next up we'll be doing eyeliner with this Stay Defined liquid eyeliner. So good. Done with the other eye as well. I just love how quickly it dries up. I'll be setting my foundation with this HD setting powder by Myglamm. It looks something like this. So far so good. Next I'm gonna use Kajal by Myglamm in shade Reverie, enriched with superfoods it says. So next up is mascara. I have my falsies on and I will be using Myglamm's Twisted mascara. Let me show you. It has the notch on the top, and it can turn the wand into your eye shape or eyelash shape. Isn't it cool? So I'm gonna apply this mascara on my lash. The lower lash line as well to define. Just wiggle at the bottom and pull them out. We'll be doing blush, contour and highlighter. I'll be using this Myglamm palette Chisel It 3-in-1, which comes with the highlighter, blush and contour. तो हम contour और highlighter इस palette में से use करेंगे. Sorry. And blush, I don't want this pinkish shade. I want peach. So मेरे पास दूसरा एक है product. We'll be using that from Myglamm. So let's start with the contour. Let's stop the excess with the help of this brush. First, oh nice. Little bit onto my forehead. So I'm going to use Myglamm's blush duo, HD blush duo. It comes in the 2 shades. So मुझे ये वाला चाहिए. So I'm going to use this one on my cheeks. Not something which is very pinkish because हमारा look थोड़ा इस dark color में जाता है. तो we'll be using this. Dust off the excess and apply it above your contour and just try to blend it with your contour. इसमें difference या harsh lines नहीं दिखने चाहिए. And just pull it up to your hairline. Next up is highlighter. I'll swatch it for you guys. Just next to. So pigmented. Just one swatch and it's so pigmented. So inner corners को तो मैं ऐसा हाथ से ही लगा लूँगी. That's enough. Onto my brow bone. Ooh, my gosh, this is so flashing. Onto my nose. Festivals are all about flashy lights. So light up your face. Cupid's bow a little bit. And a little bit on the chin. It's totally worth putting your money into the right product because in very minimal amount you get the best results. Last but not the least are my lips. I chose VM8 Fake ID, which perfectly goes with my outfit, I think. I just love how pretty this color looks. And this is just one coat, let me tell you. As it's a festival, let's put on some bindi to complete the look. Also, if you like this tutorial and a video, so please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Free mein hai yaar, kar lo. It'll motivate me to create more such vlogs for you all. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified for my next episode. And I'll bring 2 or 3 more episodes this festive season, either some makeup looks or some skincare, or let me know in the comments what you want.